but because they just had babies, we decided it's probably better.
You guys behind this? There used to be a line there. Can I get a picture of you guys close up, please?
Almost there.
That's as close as they can get.
You ready to feed a giraffe?
It's just a stick. Yeah. So you want to give them the full piece of lettuce instead of crumbs? It's like maybe a cookie. I wouldn't want crumbs.
That's Michael?
This is Michael. He's our resident stud. Have you back away from the fence just a little bit? Thank you.
Did you already feed all yours? Wow, that was fast. You didn't waste any time.
Michael's very happy about that.
Yeah.
He's not a patient
Slow
animal.
down, Jakey. Oh, that was fast, you guys.
He is.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, you guys.